Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this metal Gleam series 8-in-1 multifunctional Type-C hub docking station from Baseus. It is the right accessory you need to have at all time with you at your bag, with your MacBook Air, with your laptop. You can connect it at your desktop. Even you can connect it at your tablet, smartphone, wherever you want. You only need to have a Type-C connection. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and what it can offer. You can find this product on heka.com. It is a huge electronic online store. Definitely you can find great deals, offers, and so many other products. I'm sure something you will like and just buy it. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, find out more about this product and how we can use it. Oh, nice envelope. We've got the user manual. And we've gotten these stickers. Baseus. Nice. Okay, and there it is. Ooh. Metal around. It is a gray color, metal finish. I like this Type-C cable. It has a huge thickness. Definitely it feels very premium. Type-C connection, I like the gray with the orange. And if you don't use this cable, it has a right spot here. Just insert this Type-C connection and looks great, looks beautiful. 8-in-1, designed by Baseus. Remove that. Now let's see one by one the ports. With the Type-C connection supports 100 watt power delivery, fast charging for phones, tablets and laptops. To have this power delivery 100 watt, you need to have a power adapter 100 watt. HDMI 4K output, connect your projector, TV monitor and other bigger screens via the HDMI for dual screen display. You can connect in this side, let's say, your laptop, your tablet, your smartphone, and project the screen from your smartphone at your huge TV. Watch movies from your laptop or from your projector, it is your choice. And the maximum output, it is 4K 30 Hz. And of course, by connecting and your laptop, you can even play games from your laptop through this multifunction hub at your huge 50-60 screen 4K TV. And here you can connect SD card or micro SD card and you can take all your footage from your camera, from any device that you want, transfer files between devices wherever you want. And now let's see, and at the other side we've got 3 USB 3 ports with an ultra fast data transmission, maximum 5 GB per second. You can transfer pictures, large files can be easily transferred in a second. If that is your favorite videos from your smartphone, transfer between the devices, it is your choice. And then we've got the Ethernet connection, surfing fast and smoothly, supports 1110 megabytes per second transmission for work and games. Definitely you will enjoy that. Let's say you've got a laptop that you want to connect with an Ethernet cable, like the MacBook Air and other brands. With this dongle, connect the Type-C, connect the Ethernet port from your router, and that was all. Enjoy fast and smoothing internet connection. Well, I like it. It is small, portable, and definitely it has a huge potential. I like the metal body around. Definitely it looks great. It gives another touch to the whole construction. Nice. Well, let's connect it and find out how it works. Okay, let's remove that. And for the first test, I will use my smartphone. Let's connect my smartphone. Nice. And we've got a blue light. Beautiful. I like it. Charging connected device via USB. Okay. And I will connect first my micro SD from Samsung. It is 128 GB. USB storage added, open, and here I have all my files. I can see my files, photos, and even I've got a MP4 file. Unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this bicycle motorcycle foam mount from Singwire. Simple, superior, reliable. And I can see all my files from this multi-purpose hub. If that is a video or photo, doesn't matter. And of course I can transfer the files to my internal storage of my phone, pick the files, move, copy, or I can move files from my phone to this micro SD. And then unmount, safe unmount, remove the micro SD, and I can insert this SD. And here I have again notification, open, and again I can see other files that I've got and one of my video. It is the same thing that I can do on the micro SD, I can do in this SD transfer file between the two devices. And mount. And of course you can connect your Type-C cable from the power adapter at the Type-C port here and start charging your smartphone. And it says fast charging 1%, 1 hour and 33 minutes until fully charged. Do your things, transfer data between the two devices, and simultaneously you can charge and your smartphone. I like that, thumbs up. And the charging time, it is very good. Of course, it depends what kind of charger you've got, what power adapter. Maximum, it can take 100 watt this multiple device. Okay, nice. Or if you want, you can connect your HDMI cable at the HDMI port and project everything from your smartphone at your huge 50-60 inch 4K TV. And there it is, I've got my smartphone at the display of my TV. Wow, I can check everything. I can even watch the video and the sound from the HDMI. It is on my TV. Let's find out more about the specs. Lock or release your phone quickly. 360 zoom more. Slide with my finger. Compatible with most phones and bike motorcycle handlebars. Check my photos wherever I want. I like it. I can watch a video on YouTube. Full screen, whatever I want. Amazing. Watch movies on Netflix. You can do everything from your smartphone and transfer all at your huge display of your TV. Now adjusting and increasing the current at 28. It is 2 mm thickness. Nice, I like it. And of course you can connect it at your MacBook Air, connect your charger and charge your MacBook Air. And of course you can connect other devices, an Ethernet cable, flash drive, micro SD, SD card, an HDMI cable and transfer your screen from your MacBook Air at your huge 4K TV. Now I have connected on my desktop. Let's connect the micro SD card, the SD card, the flash drive and the Ethernet cable at the Ethernet port. Of course my desktop, it has an Ethernet port, but if your MacBook Air, your laptop, it doesn't have, you can use this multifunctional hub and enjoy a gigabit connection. And here we can see we've got the link speed receive and transmit 1000 megabytes per second. And now I'm transferring a file to my server from my desktop and we can see it is 112 megabytes per second and the speed is very good. And the same for my internet connection, the same as am I connecting directly my Ethernet cable to my desktop. It is the same speed, it's not losing any speed through this multiple hub. And at my desktop we can see it's connected the flash drive, the SD card and the micro SD card. And of course I can see all my files, play the video. Hello guys again. If that is from the micro SD card or the flash drive. Hello guys again. And of course I can transfer between the two devices files. Let's say from the micro SD to the SD card. They have the same name, and we can see we've got a great speed. Of course it depends what type of SD card you have, that's how you will get the speed you wish. Or from the flash drive to the SD card. Great. Or you can choose a file from your desktop and transfer, let's say, to the SD card. And play the file. No, it doesn't have, you can use it. It is your choice how you want to use it. Obviously it has a good speed. And we've got here a message, display connection may be limited. Make sure the DisplayPort device you are connected to is supported by your PC. Select this message for more troubleshooting info. My desktop, it doesn't support video image transfer through the Type-C connection. That's why we've got this message. But from other devices such as MacBook Air or other brands at the market, definitely you can do that. Because most of the new laptops, they don't have an HDMI output, and that's how they can transfer the video image through the Type-C connection. And if I remember correct, all the MacBook Air, they can do that. Connect this multifunctional hub and just lay down, watch a movie from your laptop through this multiple hub to your large 4K TV. Well guys, that was all about this multifunctional Type-C hub. It is a great idea, connect all your devices through one port Type-C, if that is for your MacBook Air, laptop, desktop, you name it, smartphone, tablet, wherever you want. If you want to buy it, you can check down below the description, there is a link, just click it and find more information. On hekka.com you can find so many electronic devices, I'm sure something you will like and just buy it without second thought. They've got good prices. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.